It's the second time you are coming. Believe now you work even better, that you achieved your PhD when you were away. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
For the panel, as you are aware, the current board, the Public Service Commission, Service Board, is ending in a month or so. That's why it became necessary,
the best of my knowledge,
by following the law, to appoint the selection panel to select the next board. I believe they will start with advertisement, interviews, then finally they will give me a list of the recommended people according to the law. For that, I congratulate you, because you have been selected as eminent people to serve the county of Nyamira. And this opportunity you have been given is because you are people of integrity, and we hope you will uphold the integrity and give us the best people who can serve us for the next 6 years. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Your Excellency and all protocol observed, I take this opportunity to thank you very much for giving me a chance to serve the people of Nyamira and actually give back to the society. I humbly take this task. I will implement the policies that are there, and also where we need to legislative proposals, I'll do my duties, and I will also be faithful and diligent in my work, and thanking God again for this opportunity. And I'll be a team player. I'll work closely with my colleagues. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Excellency. And first is just to be able to appreciate the opportunity given on behalf of the selection panel to undertake a very critical exercise for the county government of Nyamira, in being able to have the chairperson and members of the County Public Service Board, which is the key driver of the county in terms of personnel. For us, it's just to be able to, on behalf of the panel, to assure members of the public and also Your Excellency that we'll do this with a lot of integrity, accountability and transparency, to be able to ensure that we have the right candidates and people to be able to serve and assist you, the governor, and Your Excellency, to be able to discharge your duties, and also for the service of the larger Nyamira County residents. Thank you, Your Excellency.
thank you very much, Chairman. Your Excellency.
I take this opportunity to...
I, Harris Nyaboke Oroko, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Executive Committee member of Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the governor of Nyamira County, and that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Can move the chair closer, Waziri, you see.
Thank you. That's all. Lero twacha wasua ino waziri omuya kuri Dr. Peris Oroko. She was no arenga akare yaje ya kabere gusaba abantu banyamira yongo mutakera maya asa egasi ya jokoro jumute biyamono
Waziri
and
department.
gender and social services.
National selection panel
As a selection panel, una momanyete ndubwate board yeri ekorika abantu ekoroku Public Service Board yego serve for 6 years miaka yaba yaere na ndiko bwatiri chiko ukatochora abageni ochora abageni epanel na appointee rero nere guchiko advertise bakora interview echora abantu baranyare gukora gasi ye board igone kiki atoreta rero ase board ngubatakero amaya mwachoretwe asengenjo momanyira ase gasi ni mwakorire before yonko batakira na mogendera gukora gasi neyo moto abantu abaya for ourselves as members of Public Service Board. Biamana. County Biera. Tutina ambira wa bikera kini biera. Ikoroku Public Service Board. Yego serve for 6 years. Miaka yaba yaere. Na niko bwatiri chiko. Ukatochora abageni ochora abageni epanel na appointee rero nere guchiko advertise bakora interview echora abantu baranyare gukora gasi ye board igone kiki atoreta rero ase board ngubatakero amaya mwachoretwe asengenjo momanyira ase gasi ni mwakorire before yonko batakira na mogendera gukora gasi neyo moto abantu abaya for ourselves as members of Public Service Board. Biamana. County Biera. Tutina ambira wa bikera kini biera. Tutawahi.